Hey, Casey Murphy here with some exciting news and your invitation to my next postpartum workshop on how to feel strong and confident again after having baby. And stop worrying about peeing your pants, if things are falling out down there, or if this is what you have to look forward to for the rest of your life. We'll go over all of that. It's going to be a great class. I've only got room for 12 people though, so it's taking place at my studio at 12500 West 58th Ave in Arvada. So be sure to register. If you know you need to be there, go ahead and register now by filling out your details below to save a spot. It's going to last about 90 minutes, and I'm going to talk to you about things like why you're still peeing your pants and can't control your bladder, safe ways to manage pressure or heaviness you feel in your pelvis so that you don't make things worse, and ways you can safely exercise or return to things like running after baby. Most people want to know why these things are happening and if it will ever get better, and I promise to address all these concerns. I will give you a few things you can start doing today, and we will discuss how PT and Pilates can help. There's a lot of misinformation out there as well as no information at all. And I know that was my biggest pet peeve when going through this experience now 3 times, is that there's very little talk about the pelvic floor and how it is and will be affected through the pre and postnatal journey. So I'm here to give you a lot of that information that you didn't get from your doctors but should have. We have helped thousands of women regain confidence after giving birth, and no matter how long it's been, so they can get back to living a strong and confident life without worrying about where the next bathroom is, if they have a change of clothes, or if they're doing things incorrectly. I think that's the most common comment that we get from women after working with us is, why isn't anyone telling us this? So this workshop is for you if you've been suffering with things like leaking, prolapse, pelvic or back pain, or core weakness. A lot of women are told that it's because of their age and because they had babies, and I can assure you that you do not need to accept this as your new normal, and there are lots of things we can do about these issues to improve them. You will learn a lot about your pelvic floor, empowering you to help yourself and a lot of the other women in your life. I like to keep these workshops very interactive, so please bring your questions. By the end of the workshop, you're going to have some hope and clarity for a future with significantly less fear and worry. So go ahead and register below to save a spot. And if you have a friend that you know needs this information too, please send them this link or have them call my office at 720-722-0685. I look forward to seeing you there, and don't forget to register now because the seats will fill up.